reason.
Hi, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new, welcome. Have a seat amongst us other lazy naturals. Please, if you hear any background noise, it's not my fault. It's when I want to film that everybody will now know that, okay, let my phone be ringing, let's be arranging something, let's be dragging chair. I'm tired. Just please ignore the background noise. Anyway, today in this video I want to show you my moisture routine. I just got this new leave-in conditioner and I just want to show you guys how amazing it is. It is the Gush leave-in conditioner and I love it so much. I've only used it once before, and that once I just said no, I have to make a whole video about this. Okay, so it is the, like I said before, Gush leave-in conditioner. It has aloe vera, mint and shea butter. I love the fact that it has mint. I love any product that has mint whatsoever, because mint just makes my hair and my scalp feel really good. And I know that like leave-in conditioner is not really supposed to touch your scalp. I'll get to my scalp care later in this video. So for this conditioner, another thing I really love about it is the ingredients. Of course, all the ingredients are plant-based and it contains 2 essential oils, which are eucalyptus oil and tea tree oil. So I love it. Okay, and the smell is divine, and I love the texture as well. So instead of me rambling on and on about it, I want you to just watch me use it and see just how well it works. Okay, and also I do not use oils in my hair anymore. Since that wave of no oils no butters came in and I decided to surf the wave, I have been surfing ever since. So my scalp care is a little different from most people's own, so stay tuned. Okay, let's get into this video. So I just finished deep conditioning my hair, so my hair is still pretty wet. I don't need to like spray water in it, and my hair is already in twists from the deep conditioning. So if you want to see the deep conditioning video, please, it's linked above. Okay, and it's also in the end cards, so in case you miss it now, you can always meet it at the end. So I'm going to start by unraveling this little section at the back, and then I'm going to take the leave-in conditioner and squeeze some into the palm of my hand and then go on to apply. And I tell you guys, this thing smells so good and it feels so soft. Like, how did I not know about this product until now? It is shocking me. I love the slip and I love the way it just tends to like calm my hair down. My coils immediately start popping. I don't know, like it's not really clear. I don't know, my focus was kind of off, but trust me, my hair was looking really good. And yeah, I love it. So once I'm done applying, I'm just going to twist the hair back up, twist that section back up, and then I'm going to move on to the next section. So my hair is 4B and 4C, meaning that a lot of my hair is 4C, but there's also some 4B strands, and the 4B strands are closer to the back of my head, which is where I'm dealing with right now. And as you can see, ooh, those coils be popping and I love it. I love to see it. I'm sure by now you've noticed that I'm not sealing my hair with oil. I'm just putting leave-in conditioner and twisting it up, and the reason for this is because I believe that leave-in conditioners already have oil in them. So once you put them in your hair, they are already moisturizing and sealing your hair. Putting oil on top of a layer of leave-in conditioner just kind of blocks it off, because once you want to, let's say, refresh the moisture in your hair without washing your hair, without washing all that initial oil off, the new leave-in conditioner you're adding is just going to be laying on top of the oil that you already used to seal your hair. So the product is just going to layer and layer and layer, and I feel like that's what causes products build up. And since I started doing this, that is skipping using oil to seal my hair, I haven't been experiencing products build up as much. So that's just how I do my hair. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and do the rest off camera. I think so far you can see that it is working. Okay, man, I am glad that I met this leave-in conditioner. Okay, so yeah, this is basically how my moisture routine goes. So I'm gonna go and complete everything off camera, and then I'll come back to show you guys how I do my scalp care. Okay, I'm done moisturizing my hair. I'm putting it all in twists. I'm also gonna not forget to moisturize my edges. People tend to forget their edges a lot. And also my nape, very, very, very important. Okay, so yeah. Okay, it's time for my scalp care. And like I said before, since that wave of no oils, no butters came in and I decided to surf the wave, I have been surfing ever since. So I do not use oils in my hair anymore. I just use my leave-in conditioner and then I treat my scalp and that's it. So what I use to treat my scalp is this product right here. It is the Mega Growth Anti-Dandruff Spray. The spray has water, glycerin, salicylic acid, menthol, tea tree oil, and coconut oil. So like it's everything wrapped in one. Moisture from the water and the glycerin, and then oils, and of course menthol, because menthol really treats my scalp. Like it makes my scalp feel really, really good, really, you know, gives that tingle that I really, really love, that makes me feel like, okay, my scalp is fine, my scalp is good. So basically it's a spray, so it's like very easy to apply, and that's why I love putting my hair in twists on wash day, because it allows me very good access to my scalp. So this is basically how I go. Just basically I apply the product all over my scalp, and it's okay if it gets on my hair because the products are just as beneficial to my hair as they are to my scalp. So once I'm done applying it all over my scalp, I'm just going to give myself a little scalp massage because, you know, why not? Scalp massages help to properly circulate the product and they also increase blood flow. So I mean, why not? Bam! Just like that, I am done with my moisture routine and my hair feels very, very good. My scalp is tingling in all the right ways. I am so set in this routine. I don't think I'm going to change my leave-in conditioner anytime soon. If you have been with me since I started my channel, you will know that I used to use the Mega Growth leave-in conditioner, but I just decided, like, I've been using Mega Growth for such a long time, I think I should branch out. And I just went to the store and I saw this, and I just really liked the packaging, you know, the black and the gold. It just looked really nice to me, and I got it, and man, I found a friend in this product. Okay, so yeah, this product is definitely staying, and this as well. I found this new love from any products that contains mint. So I'm still looking for a deep conditioner that has mint in it. So if you have any recommendations, please leave them in the comments. So that is it for this video, guys. I really hope you learned something. I really hope you enjoyed it. Please don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, and if you still haven't, subscribe to this channel and turn on post notifications so you don't miss a thing. Don't forget to share this video with your friends, and I will see you guys next week with a new video. Until then, stay blessed. Bye.